Hi there and good evening. This will be a short follow-up video of the video I made the other night outside, photographing or filming rather the star Sirius, because I've been thinking about the movement of the stars throughout the day and night rather, and throughout the year. And so this is my short take on it, and I would really like your feedback on it. And I also have a really interesting question for every flat earther willing to answer it at the very end. So this goes out to all the flat earth star experts out there like Gary Wybenga and Reggie50. Let's dive right in. So this is today's sky at midnight. Here we can see the star Sirius. This is the constellation of Orion, which we have also seen the other night. This is the moon, and up here is Polaris and the Little Dipper, around which the whole night sky in the northern hemisphere appears to rotate. And what I've shown you on my little camera that was fixed on the tripod and wasn't tracking any stars was the movement of the stars, which we see throughout the night and which we call star trails if we stack them and put them on film. So this is the star movement simulated in stellarium throughout the night, which will appear as star trails. But there's also another aspect of the apparent movement of the night sky, and that is the constellations that we see at night change throughout the year. And we can also simulate this in stellarium, and we don't change the minutes or the hours now, but we flip through the night sky from day to day throughout the year. So we start today, and this is the night sky at midnight on every day throughout the year. So we are now in April, and you can see the night sky in April at midnight has changed. We don't see Orion anymore in April. When we move further throughout the year, we are now in May, and we approach the summertime now. So it's now June, July. So we've passed the middle of the year almost, and we now see the typical summer constellations. The Eagle with its main star Altair, Lyra with Vega, and Deneb in the constellation Cygnus. This is also called the summer triangle, because we only see these types of stars in the summer. We also see this foggy bit right here, and the night side of the Earth looks towards the center of the Milky Way, as opposed at the other half of the year in winter and spring. The night sky, the night side of the Earth looks towards the outside of the universe, outside of the Milky Way. Please also look at Polaris and the Little Dipper. If you remember, in February, the Little Dipper was positioned the other way. Now it is turned. So if any flat earther is claiming that the constellations do not change throughout the year, they're just simply lying or do not know what they're talking about, or both. Because the constellations do change, because we look at different portions of the universe around us as the Earth circles around the Sun. So let's just continue and go back where we started. bright thing passing by is the moon, of course. We are now in October. The summer constellations are gone now, and we now see at midnight again our winter constellation Orion, here Gemini, and so on and so forth. So we're now in November, and this is December, and now we're moving back to where we started. Just 1 year has passed. Another way to look at this is that there are two types of rotation that we see in the night sky. If we look at the night sky in one night, the night sky appears to rotate a full circle once every 24 hours. If we look at the night sky throughout the year, so again, we started in February like this, and half a year later, we look at this part of the sky. Remember the Milky Way and the Summer Triangle. So, in a way, the constellations also change throughout the year. So they make a full circle once every 12 months. So, again, there's two types of rotation there. Once every 24 hours and once every 12 months. So, dear flat earthers, how does this work? If the sky was rotating above us, if the stars were close and fixed to some firmament or whatever you want to call it, how would this actually work? Please feel free to comment or make your own videos and weird explanations. I can't wait to see them. To all the others, I thank you very much for watching. Take care. See you soon.